Hey guys, and welcome to Dainty Bite. Today let me show you how to make a great pancake, a souffle pancake flavored with Grand Marnier. Let me show you how to make it and let's get started. Here I have 2 egg yolks, and each egg I used is about 65 grams. I add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Follow these exact amounts and you'll get the lightest, fluffiest souffle pancake. Now you're gonna add 1 tablespoon of Grand Marnier, and it's an orange liqueur, and it's gonna add so much flavor and elevate your souffle pancake. But if you don't like to use alcohol, you can add 1 tablespoon of milk. Now you're gonna add 28 grams of cake flour, 4 grams of baking powder. Mix very well, and this is it for the egg yolk mixture. Now I'm gonna work on the egg white mixture. And here I have 3 egg whites. I'm gonna whip until soft to medium peaks, and I'm gonna add to that 2 tablespoons of sugar gradually. And it's very important to have the eggs at room temperature. They'll whip much better and they'll give you a lighter souffle. Don't forget that I leave all the amounts and all the ingredients in the description box below, so check it out. If you're liking my recipes, don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my recipes. And follow me on social media, the links are going to be in the description box as well. The egg whites are looking perfect. Now I'm gonna add the yolks to the egg whites and mix gently. I'm gonna fold very gently. I don't want to deflate the batter. Finish gently, and now it's time to cook the batter. I'm gonna heat the pan to medium-low, add a touch of butter, wipe the butter, we don't want too much, and now we're gonna add the batter. I fill it in a piping bag to make it easier. Cut the edge and you can pipe right into the pan or into a mold, just like you see here, or a cookie cutter mold, whatever you have. And you can make them the size you want, small, big, whatever you like. And they're holding the shape nicely, and that tells you that's a very successful batter. And the technique for cooking is pretty simple. You're gonna add 1 tablespoon of water and cover it and let it cook on medium or low heat. Or you can add a tablespoon of Grand Marnier to give it more flavor. And here I'm making another one. And I personally like to use the mold. It gives you a better result and a bigger souffle. Just don't forget to grease the mold. And here I'm adding 1 tablespoon of the Grand Marnier, or you can add water to help it steam and cook faster. You can also choose to line with parchment paper, add water and cover, and cook like usual. Depending on the size, this will give you between 2 or 4 pancakes. Time to plate. I'm gonna serve with lots of fruits, maple syrup and butter. I hope you give this recipe a try. And until next time, bon appétit!